Hello everybody, I'm gonna show you class and ID in CSS. We need some HTML element. Those are the div. We will apply here our class. You can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, style in head. Class started with dot and name. And in curly double braces, we'll have our property and value. First one property, suppose color red. Font size, suppose 36 pixels. Class could be applied on various content with the attributes class and its name. Now I'm gonna test. Class has been applied all over the div. And what about the ID? We need content, ID, div ID. For ID, we will start with hash and ID name, curly double braces, and property value. Suppose green. Now I'm gonna test. So class will be reused in various content with HTML element, and ID that will be used only once. ID we can repeat this. We know this ID is once. So when we will use CSS with the ID, first we need hash and we need ID name, and in definition in curly double braces we will set our property and value. Thanks for watching this tutorial.